Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce silver color special for Toyota FJ Cruiser 26 to 2070 years. It runs Android 9 Pie system, RAM 4GB, and 20.3-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, let me unbox the review. Special for Toyota FJ Cruiser. Okay, you can check header units with good condition. Okay. This is silver color. You can check the units harness. Okay. Okay, let me introduce harnesses first. Okay, you can check this harness with canvas decoder box. This connector connects our back head unit. This canvas decoder box, and this connector for original. Let me check. This radio antenna. Okay. This is detect wire, backup camera input, RCA type. This reserve detect wire. This factory camera, support factory camera. Okay. This steering wheel control and AUX. Okay, this power. Okay, this is harness. It will come with GPS antenna. This GPS antenna and original USB. This camera input, camera in, camera backup camera. This is external microphone. This is 3M. This is AUX and video in. This connects our back head unit. This video input, and AUX input left and right. Okay. This audio combo. This subwoofer, RCA type. This video out 1 and video out 2. This AUX out front and rear, left and right. Okay. Let me show the head unit. It's a run Android 9 Pie system. Drum agent. Okay, you can check. This is silver color. Silver color. Okay, you can check back side. and there is two USB. This USB cable, and external microphone. You can check these connectors. Connector, camera in, audio cable, and AUX cable. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi, this power, this fuse, this GPS. Connect GPS antenna. Okay. Let me introduce this the unit. Let me find something to fix. Okay, and let me power on with 12 voltage. Connect power cable on back. It's power 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will on. It started. Okay, it shows the system. You can check. Okay, let me introduce. Please take out this screw protector before using. Take out this screw protector. Okay. This taskbar, you can adjust brightness. Back the home. It's built in. Let me check. It's built in Google Maps and Google Play Store. You can download the application from Google Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. I will already upgrade this button with color. Button motion, you can check MCU version, CPU. Octa-core PX5 rack chip. It's RAM 4GB. PX5 Android 9 Pie system. Okay. You can check. Let me back. It's built in the Bluetooth, and this radio long press to click search button, you can get the radio stations. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, let me show the storage. You can check this total 64 GB. It's 64 GB. Okay. And car settings, you can check. Personal settings. This auto play music, you can turn on. This power off and SC. You can set the 1 hour. If you 1 hour, set 1 hour and back in the car and insert car key. Head unit just started 1 second. Okay. It's auto illumination from panel. Night model. Vehicle battery. Can check. Okay. Navigation settings, you can set the maps, Google Map, and navigation sound, you can select it. GPS, you can connect GPS antenna to take the GPS. Okay. And driver settings, it's a backup camera. For volume, watch video, you can turn on the watch video or off. This for reserving camera settings. It's steering wheel buttons. Our all head units still support steering wheel button. You can check restore your system. If you click OK, all settings will be lost. Okay, this is settings, and other settings you can set this. It's system. You can change the language. All languages are built in here. You can add a language. So many languages. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.